Hello everyone, for our today's video we require a sheet with some squares drawn on it and some colorful circles. Now we are going to paste all these colorful circles across each line drawn on the sheet. Every circle should be positioned in the middle of the line like this. And this way we will complete our circle pasting work here. We will paste each circle of different colors across each given line of this sheet, squares drawn on it like this, and this way we will complete all the pasting work of the circles across each line. Now I will paste the sheet on a cardboard sheet so that we can transform this into a puzzle piece game. Now I'm going to secure the whole sheet with a transparent tape so that child will not be able to spoil this easily. Like this, I'll secure it completely, and after this I'm going to cut down the sheet in rectangular way like this. I will cut down all the 4 pieces here, and after this I will cut down each piece separately like this. Now after cutting all the pieces separately, I will ask the child to do this activity. Here I will ask the child to recognize the circles and the colors, and then he have to match the circles and colors, both the things. Likewise green and peach color, now here yellow and blue, and in the same way the next one. Like this the child is supposed to complete this activity. He has to match the circles and the colors. This is a superb activity for the child in terms of enhancing his visual perception. When I had given this activity to Amish earlier, he found it a bit difficult, but later on he did pretty well. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.